Hello and welcome back. And if you're the first time watching me, thank you. So today I'm going to show you how I make my fermented vegetables, which helps me not to snack on unhealthy foods. So for today I'm going to use just carrots and green pepper, which I've just cut into big chunks, and I'm going to fill it in this jar, then cover it with water. So the basic ratio of water and salt, because you need salt for this, you use, for every 4 cups you use 1 tablespoon of salt, sea salt, and I usually use less than that. And then I store for like 6 days, and that brine I can reuse it again for the next batch, as you'll see later in the video. So here I'm just pouring the brine. I didn't show you how I mix it because just basically stirring water and salt, and then cover it. Make sure all the vegetables are covered in water so that they don't get oxygen and get mold. And then if you have something to push the vegetables down, like you can see I have this one, this little lid, I just use it to squeeze down because the vegetables tend to rise up as the fermentation process goes on. So I'm going to put that in, and I forgot to show you that I put a tea bag, a green tea bag, so that they stay crunchy after the fermentation. So here I've just shown you how it looks like after the 6 days of fermentation. This is a batch that I did before, and it's ready. So after 6 days it looks like this. This is how the green pepper will look like, and it's just an easy process like that. You just put it in a container and then cover it and put it in a warm place in your pantry. And this is also squash. I made squash before, and this is how it looks like after 6 days of fermentation. So when the fermentation process is done, you just store your products in the refrigerator, and they can stay for long. And now this is the remaining of the carrots. I'm just preparing it, and then once I'm done, I'm going to use this brine from the batch before and pour it into this new mixture that I'm making. And you can do the same process for cabbage and other vegetables that you like. Okay, thank you for watching. And the most important part to remember is that the acidity level of the vegetables after they're done should not be greater than 4.6, and that's healthy for you, so that microorganisms don't grow in the brine. So anyway, that's important to note. And if you are consuming them for the first time, you might notice that you might get gas or bloating, and that's just the bacteria in the vegetables and the bacteria in the bad bacteria in the stomach fighting, and that's when gas is released, and that's good for your gut. Okay, so thank you for watching. Bye.